Got him, bud. He's a toad. 100-yard shot. With an eye guard. Sweet. Kill it. Where'd you hit him?
I think I hit him right in the cake hole.
Really? Smoke. He's about ready to smoke this bug. Smoke him. Jack. Oh yeah.
Oh! He's not that big. It's like 20 yards.
Got him. Side.
Look at that sword time.
Jeez, look at.
Super ray going on. Hear that? I hear him breaking. Probably those out. They're like right up there. Our wind is pretty bad, dude. We want to get to the bottom kind of quick. Pole's below him. How close? Maybe 70. He's coming, Luke. He's like 50, 60 yards or so. Where's he gonna come from? He's 40 yards. He's right on that little close ridge. Get a range for me. Yeah, well. Oh, we're pinned down right here. He comes to the left, he's dead. Yeah. Like you see that dead snag sticking up over that little ridge? Yeah. Sideways? Yeah. He's just to the right of that. Is that like 45? Yeah. Oh, there he is. He's literally right at the base. Look, he's a blackhorn little fucker. Here he comes. Walking right towards us. Left. Yep. He's coming straight down. Oh shit. Just be ready. Still. Don't move, he's gonna walk to the left. 4 yards. That was so close.
You get him down right there?
Yeah, he's dead. I got him falling down. Smoked his ass.
Dude, perfect shot.
Fuck yeah. Holy shit. Dude, I'm like, look, he's coming straight in. All of a sudden, just see a tine right here.
Yeah, right.
Good work.
Yeah, he fell over dead right there.
That worked so good. All right, walking up on him.
Run around, I was like, he must be
He went about 20 yards.
20 fucking yards.
Should we get above him just so we don't get... He's dead, right?
I see his leg moving.
I mean, he just...
Yeah, his mouth's open, he's dead. Ooh,
Where'd he...
watch out, beehive right here, guys.
Where'd he run, Luke?
Shoot,
He went-
straight up.
Look for blood, just out of curiosity.
It didn't look like there was no blood coming out.
No, I didn't see any. I didn't even need to range that one.
There's some blood. Yeah, that's the same one.
No, that's a double lung.
That's the exit.
Yeah, you shot him right through both lungs. There he is. Smoked him, dude. Perfect shot.
A little black corn full.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, it's a... Oh, no, never mind. It wanted to have a little devil time.